Hello, Dojo members. Welcome to a new training session. Are you ready to travel the world?
Hello, everyone. Every great journey begins with a single step. And often, that step is at a hotel reception desk.
That's right. Today, you will master how to check in to a hotel in English so your next trip is perfect from the very first moment. Let's begin.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the English Dojo Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to check in. I have a reservation under the name Ryo Tanaka.
Certainly, Mr. Tanaka. Let me just find that for you. Tanaka. I'm sorry, I can't seem to find it. Could you spell that, please?
Oh, of course. It's Tanaka.
Ah, there it is. Thank you. I have your reservation right here. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. All right, everything looks perfect. Now, just to confirm, how long are you staying with us?
I'm staying for 3 nights.
Excellent. We have you in one of our best rooms with an ocean view. Your checkout will be on Friday.
That sounds amazing. I have a couple of questions, if that's okay.
Of course.
Great. First, what time is breakfast? I heard it's very good here.
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the main dining hall on the ground floor.
Perfect. And my second question, what's the Wi-Fi password? I need to connect my phone.
Of course. The network is Dojo Guest, and the password is training123. It's written here on your key card holder.
Got it. Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Here is your room key. Your room is 501 on the 5th floor. The elevator is just to your right. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Tanaka.
Thank you.
Excellent work, Ryo. Now, let's enter the Sensei's Corner to analyze those key phrases. Phrase number 1. I have a reservation under the name. This is the most professional way to start. It's clear and gives the receptionist the exact information they need. Example, hello, I have a reservation under the name Johnson. Common mistake, avoid just walking up and saying your name like Johnson. It's not a full sentence and can be confusing. Always use the full phrase. Phrase number 2, could you spell that, please? You will hear this question a lot if your name is difficult to pronounce. It's very important to understand it. Don't be nervous, just slowly say the letters of your name. Example, receptionist, could you spell your first name, please? U-S-A-R-A-H. Common mistake, panicking or speaking too quickly. The receptionist is asking you to be slow and clear. Just take a breath and say each letter. Phrase number 3. Here you are. A simple, polite phrase used whenever you hand something to someone. It's much better than just being silent. Example, waiter, can I take your menu? You, yes, here you are. Common mistake. Not saying anything, adding here you are shows you are confident and polite. Phrase number 4. I'm staying for number nights. This is the direct answer to how long are you staying? Always be ready with the number of nights. Example, I'm staying for 5 nights. Common mistake, confusing days and nights. Hotels count the nights. If you arrive Monday and leave Wednesday, that is 2 nights, not 3 days. Phrase number 5. What time is breakfast? A perfect question structure for asking about the time of anything. Example, what time is the tour? Or what time does the pool close? Common mistake, using incomplete questions like breakfast when? Always use the full structure. What time is? And our final phrase, what's the Wi-Fi password? Simple, direct, and very important. Example, you can also ask, how do I connect to the Wi-Fi if you need more help? Common mistake, being too demanding like, give me the Wi-Fi. Always ask politely.
All right, everyone, it's time to practice. Repeat after Sarah Sensei to build your muscle memory. Let's do this.
Ready? Let's begin. I will say it, and you repeat. I have a reservation under the name. I'm staying for 3 nights. What time is breakfast? What's the Wi-Fi password? Could you spell that, please? Here you are.
Great work.
Now, a quick fire round, a little faster. I have a reservation. What time is breakfast? Here you are.
Wow, that was intense. I feel ready.
You have practiced well. Now it's time for a real challenge, a sparring session. I will play a new role and you, Ryo, must use the phrases we learned to complete the mission.
Okay, new mission. I'm in my room, but oh no, I forgot the breakfast time. I need to call the front desk.
Good evening, front desk. Sada speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, this is Ryo Tanaka from room 501. I have a quick question.
Of course, Mr. Tanaka. How can I assist you?
I forgot the information you gave me. What time is breakfast served tomorrow?
Not a problem, sir. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Great, thank you. And my laptop isn't connecting to the internet. Just to be sure, what's the Wi-Fi password again?
Certainly. Before I give you that, for security, could you spell your last name for me, please?
Yes, it's Tanaka.
Thank you for confirming. The password is training123.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful evening. See, Ryo, the phrases can be used in different situations. You did an excellent job.
You have completed your hotel check-in training. Amazing work, everyone. Let's quickly review our key phrases. We learned to start with, I have a reservation under the name. We learned to respond with, here you are and I'm staying for. And we learned to ask for info with what time is breakfast and what's the Wi-Fi password.
You all performed wonderfully today. Thank you for your hard work. Now, for your final mission. Your mission is this. In the comments below, tell us what is the first question you would ask the receptionist after checking in. Use the phrases we learned or ask something new.
Yes, show us your skills. And to become a true English master, join the dojo by hitting that subscribe button and be sure to ring the training bell so you never miss a mission.
Until next time, keep practicing.
See you in the next session. Bye-bye.